Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, Day-Way Natural Skincare. So first of all, I want to congratulate you and to wish you a very happy new year. Today is the 1st of January 2022. So today we're gonna make a Valentine's Day cold processed soaps, okay? I know it's the 1st of January until Valentine's Day is about 6 weeks, and that's exactly what we're gonna need for soaps to cure, okay? So what you're gonna need, first things first, this is my coconut oil here. So what I'm gonna need, I'm just gonna put in my double boiler, which I have it just here. Okay, just place it, it's fine, we're gonna let it melt a little bit. Then I have in here already weighed out a sodium hydroxide, okay, and I have in here already weighed out distilled water as well. Okay, the whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below as usual. So what you're gonna need, you just need to slowly, okay, if you're gonna do this first time, you need to wear protective glasses, a mask, okay, and gloves and a long sleeves, everything. I've been doing this for many times, so I'm just not gonna do it. Actually, I don't know where exactly I have it, okay? So slowly put a sodium hydroxide into your distilled water, little by little, and just mix it. Mixing it very well. Slowly by slowly, put it in and dissolve it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, okay, but don't worry, like 5 to 10 minutes or something. So just make sure everything is dissolved very well. Well, so my lye solution, it's done. It's pretty warm, okay. So the next thing what I need to do, I need to get a scale. I have in here a beaker, and I need to weigh it out 300 grams of coconut oil. Okay, I'm just take it out. And 300 grams of coconut oil. So coconut oil, it's melted here, it's pretty warm. This is a very simple and a quick recipe if you know how to do it and when you get used to it, okay? I'm using only coconut oil, no other oil. It's simple, it's effective. Okay, my hair as well, because it's for Valentine's Day. I have in here already have a little silicone mold, so I have a little hearts here. I have a smaller hearts in here. So everything is ready. Now, the best thing how you're gonna need to do is, the best thing is when your coconut oil and when your lye solution is warm, to merge them together, okay? This way you're gonna get the trace faster, okay? And then you can put easily into your molds, okay? So what I want to do, I want to slowly put the lye solution into my oils while I'm mixing it. Okay, so what we need to do to get it now, I have in here my blender, a mushroom blender. As you see, I'm using this only for the soap making, not for cooking, you know. And then I have in here a little pearl pigment mineral red powder. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit to give like a pinkish color. And as well, I have in here a Geranium Essential Oil. If you want, you can use any other essential oil which you have or which you like. Okay, so it's pretty warm, it's good. Let's put a little bit of the color, not too much, because it's pretty strong color. I will see, maybe I'm gonna add more. And let's mix with the blender now. You want to be careful not to kind of splash it. You see? see, it gets straight away, I literally give a pinch and it straight away gets a red color. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it for a couple minutes. Okay, what I would like to do now, just before it gets to trace, I would like to add some essential oils. Just literally with Geranium Essential Oil, it's pretty strong in smell, okay? So I'm just adding drops and just gonna check how strong of the smell do I like it. It's pretty strong, so maybe if you want to use lavender essential oil or some other light essential oil, you might want to use a lot of it, but geranium is pretty strong, so I don't need to use a lot. I love it. Yeah, it's not now too strong. Okay, let's give it a mix again. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to just pour it in the molds now. What I'm gonna need to do now, I'm just gonna leave it like this, okay, for like 24 to 48 hours and come back then and check it. So there's like two things to be conscious about when you're doing a cold pressed coconut oil soap. First of all, I'm learning from my own mistakes here. First of all, don't do it when it is raining outside and when it's humidity levels it's really high, okay? Because the soaps will never get hard, okay? It's gonna take you ages or eventually even months and months, and eventually it's not gonna just do the job, okay? So don't do it when it's raining outside. Another thing is when to achieve the trace, make sure that your oil and lye solution are warm and that they are at a pretty similar temperature, okay? And then mix them together. While they are both similar temperature, warm, then you mix them together faster and you're achieving the trace faster, okay? So these are like kind of very few tips, and I see you in about 24-36 hours to unmold those hearts. See you later. Bye. Hello guys, good day, welcome back. So it's been about 2 days, which is about 48 hours, and I have the soaps. They are all looks pretty much solid. So let's take them out and let's see how they look like. Ooh, okay, they are very solid. Look, it's so sunny in here. You see, it's lovely pink color. It's lovely pink color. This geranium smells amazing. It's definitely not too much. I love it. I love it how it smells. I love it how it looks, and it's lovely, amazing little hearts. Okay, so guys, I will just take the rest of them out. I'm gonna just place them on some like paper. Not a paper, but on the tray or on the, I have in here some carton box I will place in it, and I will just leave it aside for about minimum of 4 to 6 weeks, which is that gives us about that time till Valentine's Day. So, and then they will be, you can use them for your, of course, body wash, for body and for your hands. Some people, especially men, they like to use for the face wash. It's not suitable for the face wash, but it's better to, if you want to use it, it's better to use this for the face wash than to use any other shampoo where you buy in your drugstore, okay? Because this is all natural. There is nothing wrong with it, okay? And look at these little hearts. These actually, the silicone mold is for baking some desserts, but I'm using to bake my little soaps, not desserts. And I have another type of little heart here as well. Here, as you see. They look amazing. I love the color. I love how it smells. Guys, as I said to you before, it's super simple, super easy to do. Give it a try. You must give it a try. It's only 100% organic natural coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, which is a natural ingredient, and of course your distilled water. Choose your colorant and choose your favorite essential oil, and that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you next week. Okay, bye.